In the following clip, you will learn how to replace the back cover on the Huawei P40 Lite. You can find spare parts and tools in the video description. Position some tape for the suction cup. With a hairdryer that can be heated up to 60 degrees Celsius, heat up the back cover so that the adhesive with which the back cover is attached loosens. Position the suction cup and use a flat tool to slide along the edges. Be careful not to go in too deep. Use the tweezers and some rubbing alcohol to remove the adhesive residue from the middle frame. Now, you can remove the protective film from the new back cover. Make sure that the LED flash cover is properly seated. Now you can attach the new back cover and carefully press it in place. Glad we were paired together. If you liked our video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell.